Hello everyone, welcome to the SolidWorks tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn SolidWorks revolve command. So let's get started. Click on revolve boss plane to create a sketch. To use revolve command, we need two parameters or two fields are mandatory. First one is sketch profile that we need to revolve, and second is axis of revolution. So first we will create a sketch. Line, dimension it. Make it coincident with line. Now this sketch is fully defined because it is in black color. We haven't drawn here axis of revolution. Now we will check whether it is working with the revolve command or not. So close sketch and click OK. Right now axis of revolution, he has taken this axis, but this profile is interfering with this one, so it will not revolve. So just click on OK. Now it is showing error, sketch is open, self-intersecting or intersecting the center line. Just click OK or close it. To draw here one center line, so go to the line, take a center line, draw a line. Now this is the axis of revolution. We need to select this as an axis of revolution. Now close sketch. Now select sketch, click on revolve, and in this section axis of revolution we need to select this line, so it will revolve around that line only. Now we have here multiple options like direction and thin feature. In the direction we have direction 1 and direction 2. Under the direction we have 5 options like blind, up to vertex, up to surface, offset, from surface, and mid plane. Now we will see this one by one. First one is blind. Blind means from sketch plane, how much angle you want as a revolution you can define from this section. Suppose right now it is 360 degree revolution, we will make it 250 degree, and it is revolved 250 degree from sketch plane, and the axis of revolution is this one, and it is revolved anti-clockwise. Requirement is like we need this in clockwise direction. In that case you have to click here reverse direction. Now it is revolved in clockwise direction. Then next option is mid plane. If we select mid plane, revolution will be exactly symmetric to sketch plane. The same angle will be at the left and at the right from the sketch plane. Suppose we will make it 200. 100 degree will be at the left and 100 degree will be at the right. Next option is up to vertex. Suppose in this revolution we have one point as a vertex, we will select that one and revolution will be up to that point only. Right now we don't have any vertex point, that's why we will not check with this vertex. Next is up to surface. Now the axis of revolution is this one, and we have to select the surface so that the revolution will be up to that surface only. So as a surface, now we will select a plane. So right plane I have selected. Now the revolution is up to only this plane, that is the right plane. This is the option up to surface. The same feature we have, like if we need to change the direction, just click on reverse. This option is available with all the sub options, like with the blind, with the mid plane, and all the options has same option, like to reverse the direction. Then next is offset from surface. Just select this. Now we have selected the surface as a right plane, and it is offsetted from that right plane with 10 mm. Suppose we made this 50 mm, it will be offset from this plane by 50 mm parallelly. This face is parallel to right plane. You want to change the offset direction. Right now it is offsetted below 50 mm as a reference plane. We need 50 mm with this reference plane. This checkbox, now it is offsetted 50 mm above. So this is the option. Now we have seen all the options from direction 1. Same options we have in direction 2, but direction 2 we will use in the case, suppose it is in clockwise direction. How much degree is this? We will make it blind, and this will be around 120 degree. Enter. Now I want 120 degree in clockwise direction and 50 degree in counterclockwise direction. In that case, we can use a direction 2 option. Just select a direction 2 option and mention here 50 degree. So this will be counterclockwise direction. In this also we have 4 options like up to vertex, up to surface, and offset from plane. In the direction 2 we don't have mid plane option. Okay. Part is a thin feature. So make it is thin feature. Just select a thin feature. We have shell command here. The part is becoming hollow. We can see. Now in thin feature we have 3 sub options like one direction, mid plane, and 2 directions. Now it is with one direction. We will see the difference of all. With the one direction, we can offset this thin wall in only one direction, that is at the outward or inward from the sketch. Right now it is outward from the sketch. Suppose you want to inward from the sketch, just click on it, reverse direction. Now it is offsetted 10 mm from the sketch to the inner side. Second option is mid plane. It will offset 10 mm, but 5 mm will be at the outer side and 5 mm will be at the inner side. So this is the mid plane. And last one is 2 direction. So it is offsetted 10 mm to the outer side and 10 mm to the inner side. Suppose you want 10 mm to the outer side and only 2 mm to the inner side. So this will looks like this. So this is the revolve feature of SolidWorks. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.